Hello, my name is Joshua Baker from the Video Games for Assessment Junior Design team. Today we will be looking at the sprints 3 and 4 goals that we have set out and the progress that we've made over the course of these two sprints. As you can see on the screen, we have a selection of the stories that we wanted to complete for these sprints and the features that we wanted to have done by the end of them. Up first, we wanted to have the game save data about the participants' gameplay. This will come in the form of the hex code questions that the player will answer. Each of their answers will be recorded so that a test administrator can observe them after the game has been played. Additionally, we wanted to add a little bit more character customization, so there will be a character select screen with various character designs that a player can choose from so as to have some more immersive experience in the game. We also wanted to add sound effects to the game, so it isn't quite a silent experience. We want things like doors to have audio noise, we want cars to make the appropriate sounds, just to make the world a bit more immersive. Also, by the time we have finished these sprints, we will have completed the second and part of the third zones out of the 3 that we plan to have for the game proper. We will now begin the visual demonstration of the progress we have made over the past 2 sprints. As you can see, we have added a few more character models to the character select screen. This gives the player some level of choice for how their character looks. Right now these are templates, but we will be showing final versions of these characters in the versions to come. Now that we've entered the game proper, you can see a new UI element has been added to the top right of the screen that is holding the score of the game. This keeps track of how many questions of the hex code exam players have answered over the course of their session. You can also tell that we have added audio elements to the game. This makes it a little bit more immersive as they open doors, ride in vehicles, and interact with objects in the world. We have also changed the dialogue system a little bit, make it a little more robust, as well as added a UI element separately so we can ask the hex code questions one at a time. The player will be given 5 options for each question, and their selection will be written down in a text document for review later after the test. We will show one more question, just so you can see that every single question in the test, one at a time, will be asked in the exact same order from 1 to 60. This is the level 2 screen that you saw last time. It has been finished, all 6 buildings have been added, and characters and NPCs have been added to each building, creating a whole new level of story and interactions. This here is the final level that we are designing. It is almost complete. It is going to be a dog park, which will have the last few NPCs, which will ask the last questions for the hex code exam. As I'll now be showing, there is going to be a text document that will store every answer that the player has made over the course of asking and answering the 60 hex code questions. The test reviewer can then see this document when they have completed the exam and make analysis off of these. That is all that we have for the 3rd and 4th sprints. We will be finalizing all of our decisions in the next few weeks for the final sprint. Thank you very much for watching.